All right, ladies, quick 5-minute makeup tutorial. Let's go.
Okay, let's be real. Some mornings, 5 minutes is all we've got. So today I'm showing you my 5-minute work makeup routine. It's simple, it's fast, and it makes me look like I actually got 8 hours of sleep when I probably didn't. No filters, no fluff, just a few go to products that make me feel put together and ready for the day. I always start with a few drops of Visine. It instantly brightens up my eyes and makes me look awake, which is exactly what I'm looking for. Next, I use a pink toned under eye corrector to cancel out those dark circles. It's quick, but trust me, it makes a huge difference. Then I go in with my Revlon Color Stay Foundation. I really like to apply it with a brush because it blends out really fast and it keeps things looking natural and not too cakey. But the trick here is blending it just enough. Just enough to even everything out, but not overdoing it. Remember, 5 minutes. We're not aiming for full glam today. Now, I had not used Color Stay in years, but when my favorite foundation was out of stock, I decided to give it a go. I have to say, I still really like this product. I like the formula. It does a really good job of covering up imperfections. And like the name says, it stays. I never have to reapply or touch this stuff up. It's just all around a really solid product. Now for a little bit of color. I have really been loving cream blushes lately. I just find that they blend easy, they make my skin really look alive, and I usually just tap a bit onto my cheeks, a little bit over the bridge of my nose, and then sometimes I'll even mix colors. Like I've got one that's a bit more of a neutral here, but sometimes I want a little bit of extra pink as well. Then I grab my bronzer and I kind of use it like a contour around my cheekbones, my forehead, my jawline, even sometimes the sides of my nose, just enough to bring some shape and some warmth back into my face. Now, I'm keeping with the cream theme here and using a cream bronzer. However, you can just as easily use a powder one and get the exact same look. The trick here is blend. Blend, 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 blend. For lips, I keep it super, super simple. Just a swipe of Aquaphor. Hydrated and glossy without the stickiness. I love this stuff. Now, I'm really quick and simple with the brows. Just a quick fill in with my brow pencil, making sure to focus in on any sort of spotty or bare areas. Then I give it a quick once over with the brush, and we are good to go. Then for the final step, I will focus on my lashes. And one piece I will never skip is using my lash curler. I swear it makes a world of difference opening up your eye, even if you don't use mascara. Today, I'm certainly using mascara. I'm going to go in with my current favorite Maybelline variety. And honestly, this step also makes a world of difference. A little mascara, and suddenly I look awake and ready for the day. Side note, in my opinion, you can never have too many coats of mascara. Never. And that's it. My quick 5-minute work makeup. It is simple, classic, and it always makes me feel put together, even on my busiest mornings. If you want more beauty routines like this, hit subscribe, and until next time, see ya.